burn my eyebrows off, we're gonna have issues. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be either doing something really cool or really dumb. So this girl I follow on Instagram, her name is Kennedy Frazier. She posted the other day on her stories that she tried out this thing from Amazon. It's like a brow lamination kit. I've been seeing this like all over social media. Like brow lamination is the new trend. It's basically like a 6-week semi-permanent eyebrow, like brow gel. So like essentially what it does, it's like this solution that's like a perm for your brows, and it basically just like helps your hairs stay like in place for like up to 6 weeks. And I mean, it's pretty cool because I have really long eyebrow hairs and they do not stay up, like pushed up, no matter how much brow gel I use. Like I have to use like an insane amount of brow gel to just get them to stay up. And I'm also lazy as hell, so this would be like a really awesome thing for me if it works. But it's expensive to go do it like at a salon, so I'm gonna be stupid and try it out at home. Let's see how this works. I already tinted my brows. I have a full video on how I do that. I will link it up here for you guys. It's like a really quick process, which is also a stupid thing I do at home, but if you're careful, you can totally do it yourself and it works. So yeah, so I just tinted them so that we can have just like something to make it look nicer. And we are going to test this out. Pray for me that I don't burn my hairs off, please. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh cool, it comes with some spoolies. Nice, nice. Okay, I have a whole pack of those, but okay, this like little like card that it comes with is the funniest freaking thing. Oh man. Okay, so let's see. Glue. Why does it have glue? I'm confused. All right, well this is what it comes with. I don't know why there's glue in there, so I'm gonna really need to read some instructions on here. I'm already so nervous about this. I got the bad feeling that I'm gonna fuck this up. Oh Lord. Okay. Why is there glue? Like, what is the glue for? Maybe I should read the other one. Why is there glue? Okay, I think that's to do your lashes. I'm not doing my lashes. I am way too scared to be trying to do lashes right now. Not doing that. Alright, I think it means cotton rounds when it says clean makeup wipes. Use dry makeup remover pad. Yeah, I think that's what it means. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna keep like looking at the instructions right here just to make sure that I don't mess this up. I should probably get a mirror. That also might help. I should probably not be trying to do this in the viewfinder because that would just be stupid. Oh god. Guys, why do I do these stupid things? I have no idea. Alright. I'm gonna start with this cleanse one. Put it on a... Take the cap off and then put it on a cotton round. If I can it come out, please? Okay. Not sure how much I'm supposed to be using. Apparently I didn't get all the dye off my freaking eyebrows too, so it's a nice little step that I probably should have done beforehand. If you can hear that like clacking chewing sound, that is Summer with a ball in her mouth. She brought a little tiny like tennis ball home from the park and has not let it go. Okay. Using a clean micro makeup brush. I think that is what it's talking about. What am I doing? Putting the lift. Okay, putting the lift. It says to fully covers eyebrow hairs. This smells like, ew, this smells like rotten eggs. Why does this smell? Oh God. This smells terrible. Oh God. This honestly smells just god awful. Like, it smells exactly like freaking rotten eggs. That is disgusting. And also does not say like how much to use, which doesn't help either. It just says make sure eyebrow hairs are fully covered. Fully covering eyebrow hairs. Definitely only gonna leave this on for like the minimum, which is 8 minutes, because I'm not trying to burn my eyebrow hairs off. You know, like that would be really shitty. I think it's covering all my eyebrow hairs. Pretty sure. Okay, now it says to cover with plastic wrap. Okay, now it smells like it's freaking burning my hairs off. It doesn't feel like it's burning my hairs off, but it smells like it. And I'm really terrified. Oh Lord. Please do not burn my hairs off. Please do not burn my hairs off. Because that would suck. Because that would suck. Summer's sitting right here and she looks genuinely concerned for me. Okay. Oh, this is a look. This is a look. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for 8 minutes. We will come back. Let's hope that this didn't already take off my eyebrows. Okay, no, we're still there. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. I didn't completely fuck up my eyebrows just yet. My eyes are burning though, I will say. Okay. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I think I didn't have to freaking tint my brows before this because it's already like taking off all of that. Why I choose to do all this, I have no idea. I'm easily influenced. Okay. Okay. Gonna use this solution too now. It says to use a clean micro brush to apply fixation solution. When applying, direct your eyebrows desired way. Ensure solution fully covers eyebrow hairs. Let it sit for 8 to 13 minutes by covering with saran wrap. Solution number 2 will shape the eyebrow hairs in the set direction. Okay, so that means I want to brush this thing up. This smells like, I can't tell if it's my fingers that smell like rotten eggs still. No, this one doesn't smell. It's only the first one that smells like freaking rotten eggs. This one does not. I think I need to wash my hands though, because my hands smell like absolute crapola. Going to make sure that I get these eyebrows brushed up. It also said to test patch if you have sensitive skin. Did I do that? Nope. Because I'm impatient as hell. When I probably should have test patched this first to see if my skin would actually react to it. I got some sensitive skin. Oh yeah. I mean, this is already how I wear my brows as it is, so it's just like a more extreme version of that. I am not mad about that look. Because if these just stand up on their own like this all the time, that'd be great. Apply saran wrap number 2. Curse you hooded eyes. Another 8 minutes. Here we go. Eyebrows are still on there, so I think that's a good sign. Okay, it says to wipe off the remnants in the direction that you want your brows to go. This is like the intense version of So Brows. Okay, and then I think what you're supposed to do now is says use a mascara brush and apply the nutrition solution. So I'm gonna apply this solution, and then it just says to keep the brows. Okay, didn't say how much to do, but I'm just gonna put a good spoonful of it. It says to keep the brows dry for 24 hours, which is gonna suck because I don't know how I'm gonna wash my face later. I guess I should have did this at night, but it is. Just dropped that all over my desk. Sick. Okay. Awesome. This is why I can't do anything. That's why I can't have nice things, okay? Okay. Well, there you have it. These are some mighty laminated brows. I didn't burn off any eyebrow hairs, so that's a plus. I don't know, like, I mean, I just put like oil and stuff like in my brows, so I don't know like how it's actually supposed to look like without anything on there yet, or like maybe like with like more makeup on, because I don't have anything on right now. So I'm gonna check back with you guys tomorrow after like this has been set for 24 hours, so you can see like the actual final product. But so far so good. We didn't burn off any eyebrow hairs, so that's all I was hoping for, that I wasn't gonna, you know, start losing freaking hairs or burning my skin or something like that. So that is a plus. Yeah, so I will check back with you guys tomorrow and show you guys the final product. Hi. Okay, it's the next day. Excuse my face if it looks a little red. I just did that microdermabrasion tool, so there's like a couple red spots. But this is what the eyebrows look like. They're a little red right now because I did just retint them, because I feel like I tinted them yesterday, and then after I like laminated them, I basically took like all the dye off, so I should have probably laminated them and then tinted them. But yeah, they look really good. I mean, like, besides them being a little red right now because I was like rubbing them and I brushed them up, but I have like nothing in my brows. This is just tinted and with the lamination, and they literally stick up. It looks like I have brow gel on my brows. Like, I'm pretty impressed. That little kit I think was only like 30 bucks or something like that, and like one lamination session I have seen it for like 80. So yeah, just if you guys are interested in doing this, I will leave the kit that I got linked down below. There are no reviews on it, so that is the right one. I'm gonna leave a review because people need to know, like, this thing's bomb. Again, if you're gonna do this, please be careful, because you can burn your skin. Like, definitely test patch, because I definitely felt like a little bit sensitive after. But like, other than that, like, just be careful. I would do like the minimum amount of time it says to leave on there at first, just to test it out, and then, you know, if your skin handles it fine, then you can like push it to like leave it on for longer. So yeah, so maybe next time I'll leave it on for like a couple minutes longer and see like if it stays better. But I mean, if these stay for like the 6 weeks like it says it does, that would be life-changing. For sure gonna be doing this for my wedding and my honeymoon. That'll make life so much easier. And yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like this? Would you guys do it yourself? Are you guys like into the bushy brow trend right now? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! bye.